She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for kids who need help managing meal times, in particular for kids who are overstuffing the mouth. So one strategy that some people try to help wake the mouth up, to help it feel more alerted, and to give it a lot of deep stimulation is using an electric toothbrush 30 minutes prior to the meal. So the electric toothbrush is a pretty classic strategy that occupational therapists will tend to use, and we just advise that 30 minutes prior, the child gets some of that stimulation to see if it helps raise the sensory awareness and reduce the stuffing piece. Now, you can not only, of course, use this type of a sensory activity before the meal, but then look through the video library to see what sensory activities you can do with the meal. Okay, so for really severe cases of overstuffing, we want to give as much sensory awareness as we can prior, just so the child has much more heightened oral awareness. So take a look through the video library and see what strategy best suits you.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon